Hello, my name is Abby Loosemore and I'm the Head of Film Studies at Hills Road. While film is far more modern than many other forms of art, this has not stifled its impact on society. Now, more than ever before, the movies have become a core component of our daily lives and how we perceive the world around us. Within this subject, you will study cinema from different countries, genres, and film movements, exploring how to use critical frameworks to evaluate how meaning is produced. You will learn how to read a film, considering cinematography, mise-en-scène, editing, performance, and sound. Furthermore, we will also analyse the relationship between the text, the spectator, and production contexts. You also get the chance to make your own short film or screenplay as your non-exam assessment.
Over the film course, we start off with film history, essentially, and we learn how to read a film. I think is the best way to describe it. And from that, we look at all the different elements of filmmaking. It's really like a really broad course in that sense. And then we also do coursework as well, which involved us writing our own screenplay, making storyboards, and then producing our own film in the end, which is quite exciting, yeah.
For me personally, I've found that particular element of the film course, the coursework section, which is about kind of creating your own short film, really helpful for me because I'd like to be a screenwriter in the future. And so I think film studies in particular has helped me to, it's like just made me really excited to kind of explore the industry, and it's helped me develop some of the skills I think that are really needed, because you have to, it's really beneficial to have such a broad understanding of how a film works and how it kind of engages an audience, not just in terms of the script, but the cinematography and the sound and how it all works together.
There are plenty of extracurricular activities and enrichments to get involved in, from visiting speakers to fantastic trips to the Harry Potter studios, Pinewood Studios and Euro Disney.
On the Pinewood trip, we spoke to loads of different professionals in the industry, I think, from loads of different, really different areas, and areas that I hadn't heard of before, I don't think, as well, in the future.
I think it helps broaden your kind of understanding of the different, as you said, the different jobs involved, and actually, it's not just the person behind the camera or the director. I think, it kind of helps put the subject in perspective, and being on a movie set was really cool as well. It was really cool.
Yeah. This course will enable you to progress to a wide array of degrees and career opportunities. These include journalism, film production, visual effects, art history, art direction, location management, and arts administration, to name just a few. Not only will your studies provide you with an excellent knowledge of film movements, styles, and forms, but provide you with a high level of textual analysis skills. Regardless of what you decide to do after your time at Hills, these skills will be incredibly helpful. Lunchtime workshops and surgeries are available weekly. These are often one-to-one and focus directly on the needs of the student.